What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Smart Clean Pro on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and you want to tap on apps at the bottom, then click on the top charts. You should be able to find Smart Clean Pro there. If not, you can use a search and just simple type in Smart Clean Pro. Right, you should be able to find the application here once you hit search, and you can easily go ahead and install it there. So as you can see, this is Smart Clean Pro. I'm going to tap on install and you will see in a moment that it's going to quickly install. It's just about 40 megabytes, so it should be pretty quick to download and install. But once it is done, go ahead and click on open and you have the app on your phone. Just go ahead and ensure that you tap the correct language you want. You can allow notifications if you want, and if you have any ads pop up, you can close them. And then you just want to go ahead and just watch the battery scan here. So it's going to go through and scan your phone. As you can see, that is done. And that's pretty much it. Now you can go ahead and start using Smart Clean Pro on your phone. Very easy and very simple, guys.